probably that is real little closer, and that can help us to protect the traditional knowledge, because it is like taking care of that geographical indication. As such also you can say association of people is there, community is there. Similarly, when we are talking about a traditional, you can say that it is a like that particular region or particular family, that particular area, so they are having that particular traditional knowledge, particular tribe. Okay, so it's a group of people is generally involved, and if we see the geographical indication, there also association is there. So we can say that for traditional knowledge, maybe geographical indication is one of the closest kind of IP which can take care, but again the limitations are there. So that the criteria of geographical indication and traditional knowledge, again we have to check that particular thing. And generally if you see, products can be get protection with a geographical indication. So you should have a handicraft product or agricultural product or a manufactured product, okay, but processes may not get the protection. So that limitation is there, so we have to appreciate that particular thing. Now if we go into the details about the